Meaning of funny farm.
Funny farm.
Funny farm.
Funny farm.
Funny farm. The term funny farm is often used colloquially to refer to a mental institution or psychiatric hospital. This phrase highlights the idea that mental illness or psychological distress may cause individuals to behave in ways that appear amusing or bizarre to others. However, this type of language can perpetuate negative stigmas around mental health and can be harmful. It is important to recognize that mental illness is a serious issue that requires proper treatment and support. Using respectful and empathetic language is crucial in promoting understanding and reducing the stigma surrounding mental health.